So here we have a video on algebraic factorisation. We're just going to do an examination, well, 2 examination questions, a total of 5 marks, so it's a lot of marks actually. So the first question asks us to factorise this expression here. The way we're going to do this is to look at the numbers first, look at the letter E, and then look at the letter F. 18 and 45 both have a factor of 9, because 9 times 2 is 18 and 9 times 5 is 45. Then let's look at the E. If you notice, there's E squared and E cubed. Now E cubed has part of it, E squared, so we'll take E squared out as well. And then we've got F and F to the 4, and we can only take out the F. So now, what do we need to multiply this by to get back to that part? Well, 9 times 2 gives us 18. That's where that's come from. E squared times what gives us E cubed? Well, that must be E. And the F is already there, and it doesn't change, so we don't need to do anything. Now we are going to get to 45. So to get to 45, we must multiply by 5. That's where that 5 came in there. We have E squared, and we have E squared, so we don't need to do anything with the E. And we have an F here, but we want to get back to F4, so F cubed. So let me just write that out one more time. So the answer is 9e squared f, 2e plus 5f cubed. Does that work? 9 times 2 is that 18? Yes. E squared times e is e cubed. Yes, that works. And f times 1 is f. Plus 9 times 5 is 45, correct. E squared, well, it's e squared, so we just don't need to put anything there. And then f times f cubed gives us the f to the 4. So our answer there is 9e squared f, 2e plus 5f cubed. Now this one here is asking us to solve this quadratic. When it says solve, it means find a value for x that would work. I'm going to have a guess actually. I'm going to guess that x is equal to 1. Let's see if it works. So we've got x squared minus 4x minus 12, and does that equal 0? So I'm going to guess 1. X is equal to 1. 1 squared minus 4 times 1 minus 12. That's 1 minus 4, which is minus 3, minus 12. No, it equals negative 15. Now the thing is, we could keep guessing, but we might have to wait a long time before we come across the correct answer. So in fact, what we need to do is to factorize this quadratic. Double brackets, don't forget, here is a multiplication sign, but we don't need to put it there, because that's what the double brackets means. If you remember, x times x is x squared. Now we're looking for numbers here and here that multiply together to make negative 12. So 1 times negative 12 equals negative 12. We could do it the other way around actually. We could do 2 times negative 6, or negative 2 times 6. We could do 3 times negative 4, or negative 3 times 4. But we want numbers that also add to negative 4. And if you notice, 2 plus negative 6 gives us negative 4. So that's negative 6, and that's positive 2. Now here we have a number x plus 2 times another number equals 0. How is that possible? It's only possible if we make that number equal to 0. So why don't we make x plus 2 is equal to 0? Or we could have the possibility of x minus 6 equaling 0. That gives us x is equal to negative 2. And this gives us x is equal to negative 6. Positive 6. They got that one wrong there. X is equal to positive 6. So our two answers are x is equal to negative 2 and x equals positive 6. I think we need a funny video.
Does the guy say car on the road?
Car on road.
Car on road.